From at least 2007 through 2016, the FBI conducted an investigation into evidence that the Saudi government agents provided essential assistance to the first arriving 9/11 hijackers, and the FBI and DOJ have publicly acknowledged that 3 Saudi government agents are primary subjects of that investigation, which is named Operation Encore. We passed a law in Congress, JASTA, to ensure that the 9/11 families' case against Saudi Arabia could proceed. The 9/11 families issued a subpoena in 2018 for records from the FBI's 9/11 investigative files that are critical to that lawsuit. According to lawyers for those families of the victims, the FBI has refused to search its complete files for responsive documents, claiming it would be too burdensome to do so, and the FBI has withheld certain key documents and significantly redacted others, despite the fact that the records concern events that occurred 20 years ago. Will you commit today that the FBI will conduct a review of all its relevant 9/11 files on an expedited basis to identify documents relevant to the family's lawsuit and to produce them to the fullest extent possible without sacrificing justice for the victims in the name of diplomacy?
Well, I will make sure that our folks are doing everything they possibly can consistent with our responsibilities. Obviously, there are matters that involve classified information. There are matters that involve grand jury information. I do know that the Justice Department has asserted the state secrets privilege, and that I understand that that's been upheld by both the magistrate judge and the district judge about some information. I also know, though, and I think this is important for me to add, that we have produced and worked diligently to produce thousands of documents, including ones that have rarely been released, and I would not want to leave this exchange without telling you how much I care about this issue. The families of the 9/11 victims matter deeply to me, and I know they're frustrated.
Let me ask you then, would you commit to formally request that the DNI review documents the FBI has withheld from the families to determine if they can be released in the public interest, as she is authorized to do pursuant to Executive Order 13256?
I'm happy to take a look with the DNI and others to see if there's more information that can be declassified.